Oh shoot. Whoa. Hey guys, it's your girl EYELASH and welcome back to my channel. Yeah. So hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm actually doing a removing my eyelash extensions at home video. So basically I did my eyelash extension about, I want to say 3 weeks ago. Yeah, I'm not too sure, but I want to say 3 weeks ago. So what had happened, it was looking cute or whatever, but as of this point, like this one still looks good, but it has like a patch here and it has like a patch here. So as you can see, there's like just these here and then there's a patch there. However, on this eye it's looking a hot mess because I sleep on this side, so these ones are falling down. There's a whole patch missing from there, there's a whole patch missing there, and everything is missing from there. So yeah, I've done some research and they basically said to use coconut oil to like soften up the glue or whatever, and then you'll be able to take them off. So that's what I'm gonna attempt to do. So far I've melted some virgin coconut oil into this little teacup right here. I'm ready to just put them on, melt up this glue and have them off. So I'm actually gonna start with this eye. I'm just gonna add coconut oil all over. As you can see, it's a little bit tugging onto the Q-tip because the glue is so hard, it's tugging. Oh shoot. Whoa, I just tugged that really hard. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna leave these on for a good 10 to 15 minutes, and then I'm gonna come back and just start wiping to see if we can go ahead and get rid of these lashes. So stay tuned. Alright, so it's been a few minutes and I'm ready to start taking this off. So I have a cotton right here. I'm gonna just get a little of the olive oil on the coconut oil on there. And then I'm gonna just rub it in circular motions. I think I'm coming down with a cold or something, but yeah, I have some coconut oil on here. I'm gonna just rub it in circular motions and see if these bad boys fall off. Like, hey. I'm pretty sure these aren't even budging, and look at that, it's tearing the cotton, and I can feel like it feels like it's scraping my skin. So far, as you can see, it's just like one that's off and it's stuck up in some cotton. Oops, I got a few more off. As you can see, most of them is off. Just have a few more remaining. not gonna lie, I did lose a few lashes. Like, I can see in the lashes that came out, like for ones that were a bit cluttered, I can see my actual lashes in there when it got removed. I guess, I don't know if it's because I snugged a little bit too hard, or if I tugged it a little bit too hard, or what the case may be. But yeah, so I'm just dabbing a little bit of coconut oil under here for the irritation. All right, so I have both of these off, and I have oil underneath my eye. So I'm gonna go ahead and take some wipes. So I'm gonna use a baby wipes since it's a little bit more gentle on the eye area, just to take off the excessive oil. And because I yanked some of my lashes out, I'm using this. It does sting a little bit on this eye. I'm just gonna take my NYX hydration. It's actually a oil primer, however I'm gonna use it underneath these areas just to put back a little bit of moisture within. I'm gonna add that under here and over here. I'm just gonna rub that in. And yeah, that's pretty much it. It's gone. So as you can see, so when people say, oh, it doesn't hurt, it actually don't really hurt, but you do tug your own lashes at times. So when people say, oh, you don't lose any of your lashes, you actually do lose a few of your lashes. But yeah, but it's not that bad. So this is how it is. I'm just gonna give my lashes a break. So this is how I'm gonna have it. I'm not gonna put anything on there. I might decide to put on a strip tomorrow, maybe not, depending on how my eye feels. If it's still a little bit irritated, then I'm not going to put on any lashes, because I'm not going to want anything to irritate my eyes more than it's already irritated. But if not, then I'll go ahead and put a strip on. But yeah, that's it for this video. Hope you guys like. If you find it helpful, then go ahead and share this video. Comment down below what video you'd like to see next. And yeah, like, comment, subscribe if you haven't been subscribed already, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.